Hey guys, I'm Aman. Welcome back to another video on my channel. I know I haven't made a video in a very long time. I apologize for that. These are the people who are my most recent subscribers, and I want to thank all of these people for helping me reach 160 subscribers. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to uninstall software completely from your computer. Firstly, you'd go into your Start menu, go into Control Panel, and then go into Programs and Features. When you click on Programs and Features, you should see some options. All the software installed on your computer will appear over there. You will see all the software. You choose which software you want to uninstall, you double click on it. Now what this does is that it looks through the directory of your software. So your software, when you install your software, there's a directory with all the files which it uses to execute in the executable file. So with that folder which is installed on your program files in your C drive, there will be an uninstall executable as well. What the uninstall executable does is that it clears all the files in the program. So most programs should come with an uninstall executable. So Control Panel looks for that, so you don't need to do all of that. So don't go into your directory and click on the wrong thing or manually delete. The uninstaller is specially designed because it knows where the program saves everything in your computer, so it will uninstall everything. Once you double click on the program in Control Panel and it opens the uninstaller, you go through the uninstalling steps and it will uninstall the program. Now that the program is uninstalled, it's not uninstalled fully. So what you will do is you will go on to your C drive, you will go into Program Files, check if any folder is named after the company of the program you deleted. If you find no folder of the company's name or the software's name, then you're fine. Then you go into Program Files x86. x86 just means 32-bit programs. Sometimes it saves itself over there, and you will look through if there's a folder with the company's name, the developer's name of the program, or the name of the program itself. And if you don't find any file, then you're good to go. Now you go into your Start menu and you hold Shift and 5. You will get the percentage symbol. Then you type temp and then hold 5, hold Shift and 5, and then you'll get another percentage symbol. This is a command which will show the temp folder. You click on the template folder and these are all the templates. It's safe to delete every file. Click Ctrl A, it will highlight all the files, and click on the delete button on your keyboard. All the files will be deleted. Now you go into your recycle bin and you empty the recycle bin. Now all the temporary files will be deleted. Now you go into Start menu again and you click on Shift 5 percentage, and this time you type program data and then hold the percentage symbol again. Then you click enter and then you will see all the program folders. Now this is a hidden folder. This will have all the data, some data of programs if they save it over there. Finally, you would go into your Start menu again, and this time you'll type percentage app data percentage, and then you will see 3 folders. You will see roaming, local, and something else I can't remember from the top of my head. This is a voiceover. You will go into all those folders. Again, search for any files which have the developer's name or the software's name itself, and you delete all the folders involved. Then you'd go into your recycle bin and then you delete all those folders. Now that you've done all of that, you go into Start menu again and you'll click Disk Cleanup just to clear any remaining residue. Disk Cleanup is a Windows tool which just deletes any unnecessary files. So then you just uninstall, so from there you will just delete any unnecessary files. It will also clear the recycle bin for you. Finally, this is a very optional step. Sometimes when you do delete this, once you do all these steps, your registry will have an empty folder with nothing assigned to it. The folder will have nothing on it, but it will just have an empty folder. If you want to delete those, you can, but they don't take up any memory at all. But they don't take up very much memory. They don't take up any space, so it doesn't really matter. But if you do want to, and you have OCD, you type regedit. The full form is registry editor. You go into regedit and you will have so many folders. You go on to all of the folders and go into the software folder when opening them up, and then you would find again the company's name or the software's name, and you delete any folders on the registry. Then finally, just to clear everything up, just to give a fresh start, you would close everything and restart your computer, and then it's literally refreshed. You'll check your C drive and a lot of memory should be decreased depending on the size of the program. This is how to completely uninstall a program from your computer. If this helped you out, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. There's more to come. Until then, I'll see you in my next video if I do.